Hi everyone, in this video I am going to introduce a social media marketing tool that is Tailwind. Tailwind is a social media scheduling tool that allows you to schedule your post on social media platforms such as Pinterest and Instagram. Tailwind is an official Pinterest and Instagram partner, but in this video we can focus on how you can use Tailwind to schedule your pins. Go to www.tailwindapp.com. This is the login page. Tailwind is a paid tool and it also offers a 30-day free trial. You can sign up with a Pinterest account or sign up with an Instagram account. Now I am signed up with my Pinterest account. Then click on Give Access. Create your name and set a password for your account. This is the dashboard. You can see how many repins, domain pins and followers you have. In the right side of the dashboard, you can also see that complete your account option and see all suggestions, etc. and so much information over here. First thing I want to talk about how to schedule a pin. You just click on the publisher option. Under that we can see many options like draft, scheduled pins, smart loops, published pins, your schedules, bot list, etc. Click on the scheduled pins. Then you can see over here they have actually pre-filled some of the best times that they actually recommended the post. So you can use the recommendation. Then click on the add or remove time slot option for adding your own time or remove any time slot. Next thing is how to schedule your pin. First you click on scheduled option, then you click on create a new pin on the right side of the window. There are many options here like upload image, pin from Instagram, etc. Here I am click on upload image. Then you can enter the bot name. In this section you can add multiple bot names. Then enter the pin title, description and the destination URL, etc. Then you just click on add queue. After that your pin is scheduled. You can see that my first pin is scheduled here. Now this pin is scheduled today, but you want to schedule the pin tomorrow or any other specific date. You just drag it and release it on the particular date and time slot. Tailwind makes super easy and simple. You can easily upload more pins and scheduling over the pins into these time slots. Next feature is Insights. In the Insight tag, you will see your profile performance. You can track on how many pins and repins you are getting. Then you can track insights for specific boards, categories and keywords. You can also track your website insight and you get so much information over here. If you are a blogger, a content creator or any kind of business owner who wants to free up their time from the whole manual pinning process, Tailwind is an excellent tool to help you do that. Thanks for watching.